for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, navigation system, stability control, power sunroof, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.